stations and cable systems of your area. The emergency alert system equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado, flood, evacuation, toxic release, or any emergency that you, the public, should be timely alerted, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves as a vital part of the Louisiana State Emergency Alert System. This concludes this test of the Emergency Alert System.
Experience. He's been in the league for a good period of time now, so he's played a lot of football, so he knows different coverages really well. That's one thing that I was kind of impressed about, with the offense coming in and just understanding the same coverages really well on short shots and stuff like that. So he's been great, and the chemistry is definitely picked up.
So everything is on, going smooth so far. Man, this concludes this test of the emergency alert system. Except for the whole thing of history that pops in. Because, the Bears have struggled